Alright, we will be taking one of the elevators at the JCPenney mall. So let's wait for this elevator right here. I'm guessing this one is the Schindler. Just wait. Let's back up right here. Here it is. Yep. Let's go to one. That is a Schindler. The capacity is 3,500 pounds, which is a lot. All right, we're on floor one. Watch the doors open. All right, two. Okay, doors pull button works. Watch go up. Okay, number two. That's a bump. Floor one. Floor one. Take one last ride, and then we're gonna get off at floor two. Doors are slow to open. Okay. That's right, that's it. Yep. All right. Watch the doors close. There it goes. And that's it.